lumpy again. Interesting. Got to tell Jez about that. It's a weird lump. It is, it's searching. I can see the boost. Weird. Anyway, you don't need to know this. Well, you do actually, technically. What's going on, ladies and gents? So, you join me in the gym, just finished up a workout. You're not here to talk about a workout, you're here to talk about the headline of this video. Where's the Pulsar? What's going on with it? Well, I don't have it. I don't have it at all. Major problems with it. And actually, there was foreshadowing of those problems in the last video. So obviously that's major foreshadowing. I'm gonna get to that in a minute. We've got parts to unpack for the Pulsar for when I get it back. But also, I want to show you the driveway because I've been working on that. Here's the start of it. There you go. And here's where we're at now. On Wednesday, it's Monday, on Wednesday, I'm waiting for more gravel, but here's where we're at right now. So, pretty good. Pretty happy with it, actually, quite frankly. Way overestimated the amount that was going to come out. That's a 1-ton hippo bag. We've got more dirt behind it. We've got more dirt over here on this back wall. And then we've got mounds over there where Jasper is. A lot of mounds, actually. But I'm pretty happy with this. It turned out really well. Yeah, really proud of the work. It took so long to do. Hours of work, literally hours and hours and hours, because I had to dig right down. And obviously from here to here is a different grade, so I had to kind of grade it down, but then dig down, because the membrane has to sit below the patio level. Big pain in the arse, all done. Gonna peg this down a little bit more today, so it stays down. But here's all the other stuff where Lord Jasper is. As you can see, quite a lot of stuff. Isn't it, mate? You good? Good. So, driveway, well, additional driveway for more cars is almost done. On Wednesday it'll be completely done. And then I just need to get that gone. And then obviously get rid of this as well. But let's go look at some parts. Oh, so ladies and gents, these parts actually came all the way from Japan, believe it or not. I haven't opened it yet, obviously, so we're going to look at this together. This is actually pretty important stuff, I think, for the Pulsar. A really weird oversight from Nissan. I can't get into this. Why can't I get into this? Yeah, a really weird oversight from Nissan on their part. There we go, whatever. It's just... Oh yeah! There we go, right, cool. Yeah, really strange oversight from Nissan. This is all of the strut bracing that it should have come with, but it didn't. So this is Cusco, to match the Cusco oil catch can that I've got in the car. So we've got front and rear strut brace, and it'll help with rigidity, structural rigidity, cornering, things like that. One of them's one piece, which is, I believe, the front one. And then the other is a 2-piece kit. But yeah, straight from Japan. I buy this stuff on Right Hand Drive Japan, RHD Japan. And it's really good service. Anyone in the UK, I don't know if they ship elsewhere, they probably do. But anyone in the UK, I definitely recommend it to. They've got some other parts that I'm going to be getting from them as well for the Pulsar in future. So we will do, you know, we'll install this when we get the Pulsar back, which should be really soon. But I thought I would just show you this for now. So this is the front one, I believe. I'm fairly certain this is the front one. Yeah, it's the front one. Nice shape, nice colour, will make the engine bay pop. And obviously you torque it down in the middle. I'll look up the torque specs for that, recommended. And then this is the rear one, which is just one crossbar and then 2 strut tower beams there as well. It's interesting how this one how this one only has the strut beams coloured. When you're not going to see them, you'd think that they would have the centrepiece coloured. Like, why would you do that? So that's the rear strut tower coloured, but you're not really going to see that. Maybe you will, but you think they colour this, wouldn't you? But never mind. Anyway, let's go talk about where the Pulsar is and what the hell's going on with it. So, ladies and gents, I said foreshadowing. You got mate? I said foreshadowing in the last video. It was running really lumpy, wasn't it? It was running really, really lumpy. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Really rich. It was running really, really rich. And there was loads of foreshadowing. And there was loads of pops at the start. I was like, God damn, it's popping loads. And I was loving it. And I was like, yeah, this is really, really cool. And I was like, this isn't really good. When I got to the end of my drive, I was like, this is really weird and lumpy. What's going on with this? So I told Jez over at Horsham Developments, told him, spoke about it, took it up. He saw it and was like, yeah, that's not right. That's not right at all. Shouldn't be doing that. Not good. So he's had it for like 2 weeks now. I think 2 weeks. He's been on vacation. So they had it for a week, took it apart, figured out what was going on with it, checked the tune. Tune was fine. Took the ECU apart. Turns out the ECU has been taken apart already, and he thinks it's the ECU. I'll insert some clips that he showed now.
Right, I think the ECU's been messed around with, because that shouldn't be free floating, should be bolted in. These ones should be bolted in as well, and also this should be bolted in. So this has definitely been apart before. So I think it's something to do with the ECU, but I'll just go and test it again now without the NIS tune in, see what happens.
So you can see the voltage was reading all over the place, it was going all over. In fact, he's just messaged me now. I've just swiped it away. So he thinks it's the ECU because it had been taken apart. He's bought another ECU, just an old one off of eBay. Did that already just to check it and see. And he's just messaged me now, saying he's back from vacations. He's got another ECU and he's going to try it. So basically, it's down. I don't have the Pulsar at all. I don't know what's going on with it. In fact, let me just read this message and then we'll continue this video. Do you miss the Pulsar? Yeah. All right, mate. I know. We'll get it back. We'll get it back. So, just read the message from Jez. He's got the new ECU. He's going to test it today and he's going to let me know. So that's really good news, actually. We could have the Pulsar back ASAP. Well, we are going to get the Pulsar back as soon as possible, should I say. Of course we are. So there you have it. Pulsar was down already. Gone already. Bloody tune cars. And I've just got to say as well, I'm really bummed out by that because I was unable to go to Japfest as well. I was due to go to Japfest with the Skyline Club. Because although it's not a Skyline, it's more of a GTR than some of the Skylines because it has GTR parts. You know, all-wheel drive, the Attesta system. I stand by that. So yeah, anyway, basically, I don't have the Pulsar, it's down. Really, really frustratingly, actually, because I was really looking forward to messing around with it, driving it, going to Japfest, having a good time with it, and I can't. So basically, I've been doing this driveway instead of working on the Pulsar, because I've still got a big brake kit, I've got lights to go on, I've got these strut braces to go on. I've just got word of a supplier that I can get a hold of a new fuel tank, as well as a brand new, not brand new, but relatively new parcel shelf, because mine's got really shitty speakers in it and I don't want them. That's like from its boy racer days, whoever owned it last. It is not a boy racer car anymore. It is it's a racer car, just not a boy racer car. So yeah, so pretty crap, to be honest. I didn't want to do another sitting down talking video because these are pretty boring, but I thought I'd give you the update on the driveway. Next video you see, the driveway will be completed, actually. I just need to level it, get all the gravel. I've ordered 1.6. There's 100 kilos down already, and I've ordered 1.7 tons as well to go down. a blue slate, which I think will look really, really nice. And then I've got some lights to go on and stuff. And it should house 2 cars. I'm thinking there might be 3 at a push, but I don't think it will. I think it will just be the 2 cars, which will be really nice. I'm really looking forward to that. It's going to be a real car guy's garden, because I can look at my cars from my decking whilst I'm having a barbecue. But it'll be really good to work on them because, well, let me show you. So it'll actually be really good to work on cars because although you've got the gravel here and then the patio over there, you can just reverse on, jack them up from the front. You rarely ever do work on the back of a car, and if you can just jack it up from the back over there, or reverse in, jack it up from the front on the patio. So it'll actually work out really, really well, even for working on cars, to be perfectly honest. So there you have it, ladies and gents. Not a very interesting video today, I'm not going to lie, but you get a little bit more Jasper, which is always good. But that's it. I know it's boring, it's another chit-chatty video. But the next update, hopefully it'll be going to get the Pulsar. I should actually know today, which would be really cool. I didn't realise he was going to reply right now whilst I was filming this video, so yeah, I could have filmed it and then got the Pulsar back and then explained. But whatever, it's just worked out that way. Still got loads to do with the Z. I've actually found some to repaint it and refurbish the carbon, which I'm really looking forward to as well. That's not late, that's like later in the year, way down the line. There is an update on the truck. That's another sitting down talking video. You're not going to see the truck for several months now, and there's a reason for that, and we'll get to that, and that ties into the cost of the Pulsar. There you go, that's the reason, cost of the Pulsar, but we'll cover it, whatever. They were really kind about that, and yeah, truck's turning into some very long-term build because it's just so involved, but it's looking really good. The whole wide body's on it and stuff like that, but you don't need to know that. It's not that interesting at the moment. Anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe. We've got merchandise, so if you want to support the Pulsar build, we've got one of a kind. I literally had it designed for my channel. Car Nonsense merch. You'll find it linked in the description box. It's got like, I'll put it on the screen right now. It's a really cool design. There's the Pulsar and there's the R32 GTiR, which is Nick's. If anyone went to Jackfest, you would have seen Nick there and his car. So hopefully you did and you saw him. That's really cool. I will be getting around to car shows, so will Nick. I want to head to Caffeine and Machine Daikoku nights because I think that'd be really cool. But that's it. There's not really a lot else to go on. It's a bit of a shit day, to be honest. Really, I wasn't expecting to do a video going, oh, I don't have the Pulsar. But I don't have the Pulsar. So what do you want me to do? Anyway, cheers, guys. Take care. Love you. Bye.